Next up, Predator for Crown. In this week's Infil without any weapons, solo, kill 3 operators and extract with 100,000 in the same deployment. This is a difficult mission and probably best done on Vondel. Make sure you have no weapons on you, and obviously if you want to take in gear you can, but I'll personally not. All we need to do is find a weapon when we're in game, kill 3 operators, and then collect enough cash to extract with 100,000. Of course, you can maybe take in 50 grand or something like that to make this a bit easier. Let's try that anyways. Obviously, you don't need to go in with nothing, but you can should you want. Anyways, we'll give it a shot. You can do this on any map, and obviously you can join up with your friends later on, simply by searching at the same time. That could make life a bit easier, but anyways, I just find that this map is a great choice. There's very little place people can go. You can pick up hunt missions, of course, or you could just run around and head towards the sound of gunshots. That's probably the easiest thing to do. That way people don't know you're coming. Anyways, it just comes down to pot luck and being sneaky enough. It said it was looking for 9 more players, so I think there's probably 10 on this map in total, meaning you need to kill a third of everyone, but that's just one squad anyways. You'll need to knock 3 people down and kill 3 people. How you do this mission is up to you. There you go, there's a few weapons. Alright, so there's enemy operators nearby. I think they're somewhere over there because they seem to be making the bots angry. Let's see if we can get over there and get the drop on them. Oh, there's 2 kills, easy. Bleed, I'll pick you up, dog. A good way to get money is to simply get these nuclear containers. Oh, there's players nearby. That must be a player. Hey, how are you, dog? Take this man's cash. 74 grand. So to quickly make some more dosh and extract. Be 5 more minutes. It's pretty easy to get these kills. You can infill with the full 100,000, then you don't have to worry about things. Or you can infill with less and collect it as you go. That obviously means that there'll be a bit more stress, as you may not be able to find everything you're looking for. I'd recommend infilling with at least 50 grand, otherwise you can take in more, but it really just depends on what you'll be doing. You can do the nuclear materials missions where you'll get about 7 grand per one that you do. Go for the drop when it comes in, pick up the items here, but obviously what you get is just random, sadly. You can get AI kills, player kills, etc. Just quickly loot them for their money before you do anything more. Then you can pick them up, and at least you're closer towards your goal. So doing nuclear material missions is going to be the fastest way of doing this, but you can complete other missions as well to make progress. Also, collect all the valuable items you can find, selling them for progressively more valuable items as you go. Checking cash registers is also a good way to get cash quickly. So at this point, you could probably do something a little bit cursed, and that's find yourself a graphics card in the stage bag, for example, and sell it at a buy station for a bit of cash. Obviously, that's not the best, but that is something you can do. I'm already at 90.7, which is great. We're almost there, just pretty much exclusively with AI kills, HVT missions, and nuclear material missions. Hey, would you look at that? A stage bag key. Perfect. We could literally actually check for one now, or we could just collect the last bit of cash manually. You know what? Just to make it fun, let's see if we can find the GPU and sell it, just to make people cringe. Let's quickly check the stage bag here, and inside of it we found a GPU and some cash. Great. We've got enough money so we don't need to sell it, so let's quickly just extract. Just hop in with us. Right, so hopping on here. There we go. We've now extracted with 100 grand, 3 kills, and we infilled with nothing. That completes Predator for Crown. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.